Welcome to my channel. My name is Isabella. Subscribe to learn Cantonese and the power of language. Today we're going to discuss one big topic that people normally feel uncomfortable with: being alone. To begin this lesson, we're going to learn some words. And when you watch my video, do not just sit there and take notes. I want you to say it aloud with me, okay? We're going to learn this word that we always use in Cantonese. And if you haven't known yet, in Cantonese conversation, sometimes we can omit the subject, like I, you, we, they, if the question is clear about who and whom we're referring to. For example, I don't have. We can say 冇. My channel is also about self-improvement and you're here. That means you don't have extra time to spend on irrelevant people, okay? 冇時間. 時間 means time. Do not waste your precious energy on people that don't deserve. Delete that app on your phone that you haven't been using. Cancel some activities that you barely want to go. Break up with that person if they are not supporting you anymore. Of course, I'm not here to teach you how to live your own life. Consider this video as a reminder of how amazing you are. And the second word you should say proudly is 冇興趣. 冇興趣. I'm not interested. Before I fully commit to this channel, I spent a lot of time to think about who I am, to figure out what I like and what I don't like. And guess what I found? I actually don't have a strong preference or opinion on a lot of things. In school, I didn't have many choices. You're with a group of people that just happen to be here with you in this school. To make friends, you need to have common interests. Otherwise, there's nothing in common and nothing to talk about. So we're all trained to have something we like, and not just about us, but also about other people. You have to pay attention to the trend so that you have something to talk about. That leads to the third word you're going to learn today. 冇必要. 冇必要. There's no need, not an absolute need. There's so many things we are trained, we are conditioned to do as a child. And I want you to unlearn it. Because in order to improve yourself, you have to unwire something that no longer serves a purpose. In certain ages, you might think that having friends was your top priority. I assume there's no kid in my channel, so I want you to ask yourself a question. Why can't you be alone? I'm not here to be your cheerleader, nor am I here to tell you what you should do about your life because I have my own stuff to figure out. I am here to provide my perspective and bring clarity. Being alone is not scary if you have stuff to do alone. You can read, you can always find knowledge in books, you can enjoy your hobbies, play video games, listen to music. I like to express myself in different ways, so sometimes I will practice makeup, sometimes I draw. Being alone gives you the benefits of silence. Do you know how annoying and disturbing living in Hong Kong because it's so crowded and everyone thinks that they deserve to say something about each other? If you can't be comfortably alone, you won't fully enjoy when people are around. Yes, partying is fun. Trying out a restaurant with your friends is fun. Doing group activities like watching a movie, hiking, so fun. But what about after it? Let's talk about the post-breakup healing journey. Your life, your choice. Personally, I wouldn't jump back to the dating market right away. I would always take time for myself. Because when a relationship doesn't work anymore, something clearly is wrong. Whether it's you or the other person, there is always something to learn. It is scary because you were so comfortable even knowing that person is not for you, or maybe you're the problem. But anyway, take your time to reflect on that relationship, reflect on yourself. What can I do better in order to find the right person? Nowadays, sadly, cheating has become more common, but it's not the only reason why people break up. Attachment is. If you think that your ideal person is going to solve all of your problems in your life, of course you're not going to find the right person because nobody can do that. You're screaming insecurity. You're telling them, I am not good enough. I need someone to love me so that I can love myself, or at least so that I can feel better about myself. I'd rather be alone, and I love being alone, comparing to being with a bunch of people who don't even love themselves. Because people who don't love themselves won't be happy about any achievement you have. I have an evil thought, chat. Should I say it? Should I say it? I love that some people actually treat their life like an audition. They are waiting to be cast in or cast out, and they don't have a personality because they'll just be who you want them to be. And honestly, they are beneficial to us, I guess. So I'm not gonna change them. Like, if you want to please people, keep doing it. Last thing I want to talk about loneliness is how people think about the state that you're being alone. Some people think that being alone is lame, it's so sad, pathetic, you have no friends, haha! It's hilarious that angry and stupid people think that all judgment will hurt people. Oh, come on, you can't be offended if that description is not about you. Life is but a word game. My life is shaped by words. Why don't I use that to optimize and maximize the outcome? Let's recap what we have learned today. 冇時間，冇時間，冇興趣，冇興趣，冇必要，冇必要。Thank you for watching Beaches Cantonese. I'll see you next time.